In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a flowchart in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can start mapping your process clearly and quickly. First, head to ClickUp. Open the workspace area where you want your diagram to live. This could be inside a space, a folder, or a specific list. The key is to be in the location tied to the work you're documenting, so your flowchart stays relevant and easy to find later. Next, click on View. You'll usually find the view bar at the top of your list or folder, often with a plus icon to add a new view. If your screen is compact, it might be tucked behind a small drop-down. Clicking View is how you tell ClickUp you want a different way to visualize your work, and it's the gateway to all the powerful visual tools built into the platform. Now, choose Mind Map. In the menu of view types, look for Mind Map and select it. Although we're creating a flowchart, the Mind Map view gives you a flexible, node, and connection canvas that works great for flow-style diagrams. If you see multiple layout options under Mind Map, keep it simple for now. We're just setting up the space where your flowchart will live. When prompted, give your view a clear name, then choose the blank option and click Start. A descriptive name like Customer Onboarding Flow or Bug Triage Flowchart will help your team recognize it instantly. Selecting blank ensures you're starting from scratch rather than pulling in existing tasks, which keeps your diagram clean and focused. Hitting Start creates the empty canvas you'll use to map your process. From here, you're ready to build. You'll see a canvas where you can place your main starting point and branch out step by step. Keep your flow easy to read by moving from top to bottom or left to right, and label decisions clearly with short, action-oriented text. Use colors or grouping sparingly to highlight key stages without clutter. Zoom and pan controls make it simple to navigate as your chart grows, and ClickUp saves your changes automatically, so you won't lose your progress. That's all there is to it. Open ClickUp, go to View, select Mind Map, give it a name, choose blank, and hit Start. With those clicks, you've created the perfect space to capture your process visually, communicate responsibilities, and align your team. Take a moment to organize your first few steps on the canvas, and you'll see how quickly a clear, shareable flowchart comes together.